In this episode, we will be learning how to share location on Zangi. To share location on Zangi, open the Zangi application on your mobile device and log into your account. After you're inside the home page of Zangi, open one of the conversation or open up a new conversation you want to make and then tap on the little plus button at the bottom left inside the chat screen. You will then be able to see this pop-up menu where you can tap on location in order to share the location with the selected contact. Once you tap on location, you'll need to allow Zangi to use your device's location setting. Tap on allow once or allow while using app option, any one of these two, and you will then be able to track your current location. Now tap on the send location button or the send current location button at the bottom. And there you have shared your location with your contact on Zangi. And that is how you can easily share your location on Zangi with one of your contacts. I hope the video was helpful to you. If it was, make sure to give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.